So this is going to be a very basic video on the changes of state for like a substance. So if we think about it, why is it that an ice cube, say as it gets in a warmer environment, goes from liquid and then it goes to a gas? Well, it has to do with, and vice versa too, why a gas could go to a liquid, go to a solid. It has to do with heat being absorbed or heat being released. So let's look at what heat and temperature, what those actually are. So temperature in chemistry is it's the measurement of how much the molecules of a substance are moving. And then heat is the energy associated with the motion of particles in a substance. So what does that mean? In an ice cube, the molecules are moving slowly. Okay, so we have that being represented here as like they're in a tighter structure. So in an ice cube, the molecules are moving slowly. As heat is added, the motions of the molecules increase. As they increase in movement, as more heat energy is added, the cube will be water and so forth. The reason why an ice cube goes to a liquid is because, in the process of melting, is because heat is absorbed. And so what is heat but energy? And so the molecules start moving more, and that's why you have something like solid, which is a very rigid structure, to a liquid, which is less rigid, and then to a gas, which is the least rigid. And so the process we call this one's melting, which we all know. Ice to water is melting. Water to gas is evaporation. Gas to liquid is going to be condensation. Liquid to solid is freezing. And then these are the two kind of funky ones. You have a solid to a gas is sublimation. So the cool example is dry ice, which goes straight from solid to a gas. And then there's deposition, which is gas to a solid. And the examples are a little more esoteric there. So hopefully that helps a little bit, just thinking about the changes of state. This is certainly not an exhaustive video, just a very basic overview.